Hello guys, today we will learn about the nowadays GenAI is trending, and in GenAI you will find that that model has been trained on some particular data, and whenever you are going to ask a recent questions they will not able to answer that. So for that there is a solution scheme in figure, that is RAG system. It's mean of retrieval augmented generation. Okay, so for that there is a system in a RAG system. One is that is vector d. They will fetch the data latest one. It has the latest data, and another one is LLM, which will take the data and generate the output grounded. So we will go each and every section one by one, but now we will discuss about the vector database. So how it will work, vector database. So let's dive into the vector database. It's also, I hope right now it's an overview. It's not possible to complete a one video to the each and every way how it is look like, and it's also not possible to like cop up to everybody. So what they do, vector database. So there is first query come, and it will goes into vector database, and then it fetch the some chunk. It is also called documents. Okay, in documents usually people include like vector, and then whatever the actual sentence, that is chunk or chunk, or there is a metadata like file name, and there is timestamp update. So what they do in a vector database? Vector database store the mathematical form of chunk, and it is done by some like transformer encoder. Usually you import sentence transformer and do encoding. Most of people will do like there is a mini LLM. With that they will do encoding. So based on the like self attention mechanism, it will do embedding, but it has every chunk has a fixed vector length. Sometimes it's possible like you are doing encoding, but the encoding query encoding doing with the different model, and like chunk encoding also done with other model. So what happens, like it will create a different vector length, and then you will do the dot product. So what happens in a dot product, usually do in the vector dot product, it's a kind of matrix multiplication. So for that you need to have a particular dimension need to the same, otherwise it will give the error. So you need to first ingest in the vector database chunk with maths, and then vector chunk and query chunk. It will go and do both of them dot product. Then after that finally you will get the score, dot product score, that is similarity search also called. Based on that you have to find the top k value, because you will get the each and every like vectors will give some score. So I will find the highest, whichever the score, the top 10, whichever the k you define, and then you will find the list of doc1, doc2, doc3. So this is the how the context will come. Context will come to the LLM, and then after generate the grounded output. So how it will flow? Chunk you have to store in vector database, and then query come, then it will come to the list of doc1, doc2, and so on, and then it will go to the LLM, and then it will generate the output. So this is the way whole vector database and RAG architectures work here. I'll walk through the also like how it will do encoding in a later video, and also understand the self-attention mechanism and how it is different from others like word to vec and TIF, DF. Okay, so that's all today. We'll come again with the next video with the detailed encoding parts, and with the time we'll go each and every sections deeply. So that's all. It's about today videos about the vector database, how it will work. So thank you.